Today I am going to show you how to switch a OneDrive or SharePoint connected file to a desktop file in Power BI. As you can see, we have two reports and data models here already. The top one is published through desktop and the bottom one is the original report published through OneDrive. We are going to rebind the old OneDrive connected report to the new data model that was shared through desktop. To do this, we will make an API call. I will link the page you need to visit in Microsoft Learn's documentation for this in the bio. Here we are going to look for our group ID, which you can find by going to your workspace in Power BI and looking for the text after group in the URL at the top of the page. Once you have that, go back to the API page and paste it under the group ID field. Next, go back to Power BI and look for the original or old report and find the report ID. You will find the report ID in the URL after Reports. Paste that into the report ID field in the API call page and go back to Power BI to find the new data model ID. This is the data model that you will rebind the old report into. You can find the data model ID after the datasets part of the URL. Paste that into the new dataset ID field in the API call and make sure to double check the information you entered here, since there is no easy way to undo this. If you get a 200 response code, it means the API call is executed successfully. Otherwise, it means you are doing something wrong or you don't have permission to run the call. If we go back to Power BI, now we can see that the old data model is no longer connected to the report. After the API call, both the old and new report are pointing to the new data model. What we have to do next is just some cleanup work. We don't need the old data model anymore, so we can delete that. We can also get rid of the new report we published since it is no longer connected to anything.